read the variations of the spinner. Crease, use his feet, get to deal with. And you try to play off the back foot. Those are the challenges that happen there. All about building partnership. Oh, he heard something. He heard.
Please get a front comment available, please. Okay, thank you.
Let's just shine sharp. You're running, you're anticipating something. Morning. The situation. Underdog. Even at this level, expected to play. Oh, nip. Now look at Ramesh Mendis. 12 ball. He's on offer. A slip. The legs in him.
Yeah.
He defends. He'll be thinking.
Oh, trouble.
51 balls this morning. Just the second best thing you can do. Didn't know he was into cricket. Going or how do you play it? Ball at. Oh, he'd have bowled 3-4 overs when the. Got to be thinking of it all the time. So he's got to put now. Yesterday they opted to use him in shots. Probably looking to get the Yorker toss to open his account. The opposition down, keep them out there and get them. Ever of the. They wouldn't want to lose a wicket before.
Shabash.
Cricket.
Come on!
It's good to be catching square. Oh! Best. First time around in a test match. Question there. He didn't get much. Right. Needed it. They were in trouble when he tested Dhananjay De Silva. Full contribution to the Sri Lankan innings. So is the rest of the change room. Goal, his third versus Pakistan. Big drop. Under pressure. And exactly that. And what you don't have an appreciation of is whether the storm. Put some pressure back on the bowlers. And in contribution.
Dhananjay De Silva. Pure a fiery spell from Shaheen and the.
Oh!
The big station.
Beautiful.
Very well. It's humid and hot.
Yeah, shabash.
And hot water.
Yeah.
From number 1 to about number. Times you had Hashantul batsman failed. Is asking the captain. It's review for LBW. That line with the cap. Impacts in line.
Clipping.
Yeah, I pitched back of him.
Roll is best 30.
Mission was creeping in. Big is 257 for 7.